Sorry, I forget to. Grand Prix Black Yellow TT course. Different this one. Ah, we got the blue one early. Okay. It's the Grand Prix black and yellow with the stars fading away there. Would look nice. I think it looked nice. I wouldn't choose this one, to be honest. I'm not saying it's ugly, but I wouldn't choose this one, but it looked nice. The design, I like the fading away there. This is a small size. Very nice, new, no defect at all. It's nice. Font in front. Comfortable pad. You can feel the fresh air. It's nice. You can smell it. Yeah, that's nice. Apart from KYT Helmet, we also have TT Course dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Pro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available, so you just have to check in the link in this description for eClaw by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.